Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into Xiaomi's latest gadgets unveiled at the Xiaomi 15 series launch event in China. Let's break down the new Xiaomi Pad 7, Pad 7 Pro, Smart Band 9 Pro, and Watch S4. First up, the Xiaomi Pad 7 series. The base model starts at CNY 1,999, roughly Rs 23,540, and comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. You've got 3 variants to choose from. The Pro model, starting at CNY 2,499, around Rs 29,430, offers 4 variants. Both tablets come in black, green, and sky blue. The Pad 7 series features an 11.2-inch LCD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The Pad 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, while the Pro model gets the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Cameras: the Pad 7 has a 13MP rear and 8MP front camera, while the Pro boasts a 50MP rear and 32MP front camera. Both run on the new HyperOS 2 and pack an 850 mAh battery. Charging speeds vary with the Pad 7 at 45W and the Pro at 67W. Now let's talk about the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. It comes in 2 variants, a TPU wristband at CNY 399, approximately Rs 4,695, and a leather wristband for CNY 449, about Rs 5,285. This fitness band features a 1.74-inch 2.5D curved AMOLED display with up to 2,000 nits of peak brightness and over 100 watch faces. Health tracking includes continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation, sleep tracking, and female health tracking. It supports over 150 sports modes and offers professional running and swimming analysis. The 350 mAh battery can last up to 21 days on regular use. Finally, the Xiaomi Watch S4. The eSIM model starts at CNY 1,199, roughly Rs 11,370, and the Bluetooth model at CNY 999, around Rs 9,090. That's a wrap on Xiaomi's latest. Stay tuned for more tech updates.